This is binder 4, and in this binder we're going to focus on two main skills: number recognition and letter recognition. Before we start to give our kids activities to learn how to read and stuff, we need to make sure that they understand the difference between how an E looks like and how an F looks like, so that then we can go into sounds. So this book works in that. It starts with a review of our binder 3 on number recognition. So it gives you the different strategies that you can do and different games, like matching games that you can do from 1 to 10, as well as it has a counting activity from 1 to 30. After that, we go into letter recognition, and with that, we have different activities. So you have your upper and lower case and the bottoms. With the cat activity, you have the shapes, which is when you kind of create these shapes. There's different cutouts for that, so make sure you download those. And you have the different sounds and the different letters. You also have a tracing activity you can do just with your index finger, or you can do a Sharpie, a dry erase marker, and you can go ahead and practice that writing skill. So once you're finished with this book, you are ready to start teaching your child sounds and how to read. You can always use sound recognition with this book because it has all of the different pictures. Just remember, some letters have different sounds at the beginning, and we don't want to confuse those. We don't want to confuse our kids, so just skip those, okay? So letter number recognition, that is what all Learning Binder 4 is all about.